Hello, people. Today we're going to review Brainstorm. So here he is. So you can see. There he is. Wait. Yeah. Details. There's this. Yeah, his arms go almost 360. It goes back and back. It just goes, it almost goes 360. It just goes forward and back. It can't go 360. His arms can't go 360. And it's the same with the other one. Can't go 360. So, what you do is, like, he has little crab legs. Yeah, can't really move those crab legs. You can just move this part, like the waist, the hip. And as you can see, like in the show, he just brainstorms, so he has this little brain if you open his shell. Oh, like, that's why he's called Brainstorm. Yeah, nice detailing on the brain and everything. I have this other version of Brainstorm. There's only, like, I think there's 3 or 2 versions of Brainstorm. I got 2 versions. I got this one and the other one. This is an alien combination card, but it says about him. It's kind of weird, but usually the backs just says continuing force on it. But yeah, Brainstorm. It says homeworld, Encephalamus IV, and species Cerebrocrusty. It's Cerebrocrustacine, and it says Brainstorm is a creature of the crustacine variety, meaning marine arthropod, similar to a crab or a lobster, having a soft body covered by hard protective coating. Not only is Brainstorm super smart, he's also brilliant that he can produce electrical storms just by thinking hard enough. Now that's brain power! Okay. Usually it goes like, you put this thing on the watch and the Ultimate Omnitrix, and it goes brainstorm. You know, yeah, it makes those noises. But I don't know where the little disc thing is for the, the